Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how I take care of my dry skin during winter months. I have dry skin, but it can get oily at my T-zone. Especially during this season, my skin, lips, and hair can get really dry. So layering and moisturizing is the key to keep everything super hydrated. Obviously, my hair is bleached, so it's very damaged. After I wash it with sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner, I like to use Hola 3, focusing on the top layer of my hair since that part is really dry and damaged. I like to leave it until the next morning. I do this once a week to keep my hair sort of healthy. So for my skin, I like to layer a lot of products. I'm convinced layering is what really improved my skin. Not only was I using the wrong products, but I was also using the products in the wrong order. I'm wearing a tiny bit makeup right now, so I like to go in with this face wash from Kylie Skin, which is super gentle. As you can see, I don't wet my skin first. It was something that I used to do, but I feel like this way you can really remove all the dirt. Also, if you have acne problems, this is a really good way to clean your face. I also like to double cleanse with a stronger face wash, but since I'm barely wearing any makeup, I didn't feel like it was necessary. But usually I really like to double cleanse as well. I use Garnier micellar water after I've used my face to really make sure my face is clean. And I know a lot of you probably don't do this, but I like to rinse my face with water after I've used micellar water. My skin always looks a bit irritated and red after I apply my skincare, but I think like after an hour or so, my skin really looks healthy and glowy. Since I don't like to scrub my face, I like to use peelings. This one from The Ordinary is one of my favorite. It's a pretty intense one, which you can only use once or twice a week. I use it once a week and I make sure I rinse it with water after 10 minutes. It can get tingly and it burns sometimes on some parts of my face, but that only takes a few seconds. This peeling really improves skin radiance, it reduces blemishes, and offers deeper exfoliation while it's also reducing fine lines, which we all want, I think. It's basically a dream in a bottle, plus it's super inexpensive. This is Tatcha Essence Plumping Skin Softener. I love this brand so much. I know this is a pretty expensive product, but you only need to use a tiny amount. It's very liquid and you're supposed to apply this with your hands and really push the product into the skin. I think the reason why it's so pricey is because this product contains 98.7% anti-aging Japanese superfoods that makes all skincare work better. And yes, I quoted that from the website. I was not joking when I said I love layering my products. So I went in with this hyaluronic acid from The Ordinary, which delivers a lasting hydration. Your skin looks super plumpy and smooth and just overall healthier. Especially during cold months, I really need to hydrate my skin. So even if you have oily skin, I feel like hydration is a must. For eye cream, I've used Kylie Skincare eye cream. To be honest, I sometimes forget to use eye creams and I have been applying it wrong for years. I used to apply it directly on my dark circles under my eyes instead of like the outer part of the sides of my eyes where you usually get fine lines when you are aging. And then for moisturizer, I like to go in with a very, very rich and creamy moisturizer, which is almost as smooth as butter. I use La Mer moisturizer, which is very bougie. I am aware of that. I rub this between my fingers until the cream almost looks transparent, and then I like to really push it into the skin. To kind of like lock all the moisture and hydration into the skin, I like to go in with a face oil. This is my favorite face oil in the world, and unfortunately this one is pretty expensive too. This is the Sisley Black Rose Facial Oil, which is the softest and non-heavy oil I've ever used, and it smells amazing as well. You only need 3 to 7 drops, so little goes a long way. And last but not least, I like to use Elizabeth 8 Hour Cream on my lips and nails. I gave my nails a break from all the gel polish, so it's a really good way to take care of your nails without feeling stickiness on your hands. So now I look super glowy and hydrated. This is pretty much my winter skincare routine. In the mornings, my skin always looks super plump and super hydrated, and most of the time, almost free of pimples and spots. I hope you enjoyed this video. Layering skincare has been life-changing for me. Let me know your favorite skincare products and make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.